Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of video marketing, a powerful tool that can seriously boost your internet marketing efforts. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video will give you the insights you need to create engaging video content that drives results. Video marketing is more than just posting random clips. It's about strategically using video to connect with your audience, build trust, and ultimately drive sales. Think about it. Video is engaging, informative, and can be easily shared across multiple platforms. It's a powerful way to capture attention and stand out in a crowded online space. Now let's talk about the key benefits of video marketing. Increased engagement. Videos are inherently more engaging than text or images. They capture attention and hold it, leading to higher view times and interaction. Improved brand storytelling. Videos allow you to tell your brand story in a compelling and emotional way, creating a deeper connection with your audience. Enhanced SEO. Videos can help improve your website's SEO by driving traffic and increasing time spent on your site. Boosted conversions. Videos can effectively showcase your products or services, leading to higher conversion rates. So how can you create effective video marketing content? Here are some key strategies. Know your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests and pain points? Tailor your video content to their specific needs. Keep it concise. Attention spans are short, so keep your videos concise and to the point. Focus on delivering value quickly. Use high-quality visuals and sound. Invest in good equipment and editing software to create professional-looking videos. Promote your videos. Share your videos across your social media channels, website, and email marketing campaigns. Remember, video marketing is an ongoing process. Experiment, analyze your results, and continuously improve your content based on what resonates with your audience.